Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you the world's easiest eyebrow routine ever. I have gone through many stages with my eyebrows. You guys have seen me with crazy dark thick brows to the more natural look. I've now kind of struck like a in-between kind of balance. For me this is like a semi-natural brow. I naturally don't have very big, very strong eyebrows. I've got eyebrow hair, but I plucked out the middle portion when I was younger, so I've had to fill that in ever since, which is my own bad, obviously. Thanks 10-year-old Emma, you're a gem. I always get requested to do eyebrow routines. 2 months ago now, must be just over 2 months ago, I got my brows microbladed and I'm due to get my top up in 4 hours. So I thought that because they've faded a lot of the colours come out and they're very, very light. You can barely really see at the front where it's been filled in. So I thought I would take this opportunity to show you guys really quickly how I've been filling them in before I get them redone and I can't put makeup on them for 10 days and then they'll be really dark and nice and etc, etc. Because if I don't do it today, you're not going to get this for months. It's really, really simple. I only use a few products. I kind of have my brows down now. I just kind of whack them on. They still take me a little while, but compared to how they used to take me when I didn't know what I wanted to do with them, it took me a while. So I really hope you guys enjoy. I will link the few products that I use down below. This isn't so much a tutorial, more as just me showing you what I do and the products that I really like. I think that everyone's brows are completely different. Everyone's got personal preference when it comes to how they do their eyebrows. I don't think it's right for me to tell you how to do your eyebrows because I don't know what you look like. I don't know your face shape. I don't know your brow shape, your hair colour. This is more just me showing you how I do it. If you would like to take inspiration, then great. If you like to see the product recommendations, then great. This has just been so highly requested, so I thought I would just whack this on my channel, a little updated one because I've already done one of these before. Without further ado, let's get on with it. Here we are, up close and personal with the brow. So I'm about to go get my eyebrows microbladed. Again, I'm getting my top up done today. I thought before I can't do this, I would just quickly film a wee video on how I do my brows. Now, it is not life-changing. You've seen me do this a few times. The product that I use on my brows is Benefit's Ka-Brow. I use the shade 2 because it's a really nice, like, ashy, light taupey brown. And I've been using the same brow brush since I was like 14, 15. This is my MAC 266. The writing has all come off. I take it and I coat the bristles just on the tip so that it's nice and kind of sharp. Sometimes I like to wet the brush so I can get a really precise line. My brows, my main focus is to fill the gap in here because as you can see my brow starts quite late. Up to here is microbladed, here is where my natural brow starts and here is where I like my brow to start. But what I like to do is take the brush and I start at the base and I start by drawing some little hairs in at the front. Then I start here at the arch and just pull the brow in and then I follow it up to the arch. Then I take product again and I follow from the arch and I just follow my natural arch and extend my brow slightly. Now I'm not going to tell you guys how to do your eyebrows, I'm just showing you how I do mine because everybody's face suits different brow shapes, brow thicknesses, brow shades. Sorry, am I really overexposed? Should I just darken this up a little bit? I've deepened it up a little bit so hopefully you can see what I'm doing. So yeah, as I said, I then follow the arch down and then I literally do the exact same on the top, except my main kind of brow complaint at the top is I have a really undefined arch. So I just draw in the arch and then the rest I fill in after. The way I do it is I start where I know I need the most product and then where I need less product I feather it out just to avoid my brows looking way overdone, and that's about it. It's really simple. It's just once you get the shape then you're away. That is cold. This brow usually goes easier than this one, so let's see how we do. sometimes it goes really quick. That went surprisingly smooth. Sometimes I literally redo my brows like twice in a day. Today I don't think I need it, but sometimes I'll go in with my Anastasia dip brow in medium brown. I'll do it. Why not? Why not show you everything? I just take the teeniest amount, barely any product, and I'll just draw in the smallest little strokes at the front, just at the front, because obviously there's no real hairs there. So where there are, I don't like the whole, well, I don't mind it, but I don't go for the whole like faded in brow. I like it to look like there's hairs. So adding a little bit of depth looks like there are real hairs. Then the final step is to use a brow gel. My favourite is the Glossier Boy Brow. I'm in the shade brown, and this is like completely empty. I really need to get myself a new one. But what I do is I just brush up my hairs, and then the ones at the front I actually pull this way, so that where there isn't hair, it's kind of filled in with real hair. It just makes it look bushier. And then if I ever feel like I want to clean up my brows, or if I want like a really kind of sharp brow, I'll use my NARS Radiant, no I won't, Soft Matte Complete Concealer and a little lip brush. And I literally just carve them out. Because also sometimes I go, this may shock you, I'm just kidding, this won't shock you at all. Sometimes I go a little bit overboard with the thickness or how far in I bring them, so if I just want to like tone it down, this is what I do. Also just keep it in mind that I do my eyebrows differently like every day. So these are the products that I use and the technique that I use, but you know, my brows vary every single day in thickness, colour, everything. And then I always like to pop a little bit of whatever highlighter I'm wearing on the day just underneath, just to add a little bit of shimmer, a bit of lift. So guys, that is my brow routine. I'm sorry if it was a bit of an anticlimax. I know that it's not as exciting as I think a lot of you seem to think it's gonna be. Very simple, few steps, takes me about 5 minutes, and yeah, I'm gonna go get my brows microbladed now, and look out for my microblading experience video, which will be coming in the next couple of weeks, so keep your eyes peeled for that. I hope you guys have the best day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!